this is going to turn out great or this is going to be a total disaster. Stay tuned to see. So this is brand new to me, brand new to us. We're trying this for the first time. What we have here is the Ooni, I think that's how you pronounce it, Fyra 12, which is a wood pellet pizza oven. And we have no idea how this is going to turn out. Hopefully, I've watched a few videos, so hopefully I don't screw this up too bad, but you'll see as we do. But we've got the fire going in there, and Kristen's making some dough, getting the pizzas prepared. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Doing so far so good. I haven't burned it yet. There it is, guys. There's the first one. Hey, that's a success. I thought I would burn the first one for sure. Looks good. What you got?
I got next. We got 5 mozzarella cheese pepperoni ready to go.
All right, let's see what we do. So far we've had 2 successful pizzas, 1 total disaster, still edible but fell all apart, and we're hoping to get the next one without incident, but we'll see. Not a bad pizza. So we're starting to get in the hang of it. We're on the last one now. So if I can get this last one done without a catastrophic event happening, everybody can at least eat tonight. Hey Tux, you want some pizza? All right, last one coming out. Looks pretty good. Okay guys, back with you after eating pizza and talking with the family, and you can hear them in the background. We got basketball going on, we got cornhole going on, we've got archery going on, so we're just having some fun in the yard. But I'm not disappointed in the Ooni. It took some getting used to. We really only lost 1 pizza, and the rest of them turned out really good. They were really good. It's a lot of work. Kristen did most of the work, prepping the dough and all the ingredients, but I mean it was fun. You can make an activity out of it, so it'll be fun to take camping with us, especially when we got the kids and everybody together. We can get some dough prepped and cook as many pizzas as you want to. So the Ooni passed the test. We'll use it again, but it's something that you want to allot a lot of time for, because there's a lot of prep and a lot of work to it, but it is fun. So that's our review of the Ooni Fyra, I think it's called 12. So stay tuned for more videos. We do want to say thank you for watching our videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave us a comment if you've ever used a wood fired pizza oven. Let us know, give us some tips and tricks that could help for next time. But we do thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.